look, do you see over here?
On the edge of the bank, rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold.
Huge lily pads.
Bracing for news that I can't.
They're gigantic. I want to jump on them.
While I'm singing this song to myself, I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence. This iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm waking up early again, sitting alone and listening. And there is
If you have not been to Cedar's Lakes Botanical Garden, come. It is worth the drive. I promise you, it is worth the drive.
I sing softly to myself. I sing softly to myself.
I told you guys were gonna love this. I told you you're gonna love this. I'm so happy. Are you guys happy that you came with me? I told you guys you're gonna love it. Alrighty, I got what I came to see. The trees.